what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him, he don't wife him, he one item. I never listen, no, I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you.
It's different when I'm sitting there alone by myself. It's different when I'm thinking you might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit.
Evidence we miss, and I'm not more in love with you. His hair has a lot of flyaways.
Feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I've done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been skipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep moving it up. Maybe it's your love, it's so good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. I'm cool when I ain't waiting, but I act a fool when I don't need it. And I say these bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I've done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep moving it up. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. That is some kind of love, baby. Drip. That is the type of love, baby. Tripping on you. It's big enough, baby. Drip. It's big enough.
You used to call me on my. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my stuff phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my stuff phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when I'm lit, like you know me one thing. I know when I'm lit, like you know me one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my stuff phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my stuff phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when I'm lit, that you know me one thing. I know when I'm lit, that you know me one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone.
Oh, been trying to let it go. Trying to keep my eyes closed. Trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, that's so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing you saw me feeling. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit. It's this one thing you know so well.
for Beauty Forever Hair. I am reviewing a 13x4. I believe this is a 26-inch unit. And when I say this wig is giving inches, honey, it is giving inches, okay? The other thing that I like about this hair, obviously, is how beautiful it is. You guys can see this is that beautiful straight hair that you guys love, I love, and I love the fact that this wig is extremely full. It is a very thick wig, but thick in a good way. Like if you want like a nice full flat unit, this is going to be the one for you. The lace melts amazing. As you guys can see, I have the natural sunlight hitting me right now, and you guys see what the lace is giving, okay? It's definitely giving natural. I didn't have to do too much to like help it blend in. Today I didn't put any makeup on my lace either. To get like a little more shine in my bang, I did put some Got To Be spray in it. So that's what's gonna also keep it in place and everything, because using the mousse is great, but I feel like my hair was still moving around just a little bit. I like the little baby hair that I was able to achieve with the foam and some Got To Be spray, and then that's how I was able to get this little swoop. I did also secure my little swoop with the Got To Be gel. So I got a question about this in a previous video that I just did, and I do want to let you guys know that Got To Be gel, this gel is a hair gel. I know sometimes people will see me using this and you guys assume that it is a lace front glue. This is not lace front glue. I used to put it on all of my videos. Like for a couple of months I was putting it like, this is not lace front glue, this is not lace front glue, letting people know. But after a while I just felt like it was like redundant, like repeating myself over and over. I figured like my followers pretty much know this is not lace front glue, but I definitely will start putting that back in the videos just so I'm not confusing anyone, because the Got To Be gel is white just like a lace front glue would be. And I know some people probably think I use lace front glue. I don't particularly like to use lace front glue just because I do have to change my hair so often. I've never been a fan of lace front glue. I've only used it in my life twice, and I've been doing wigs for quite some time. I'm pretty sure you guys know. But yeah, you guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It's been a minute since I've done like this cute little swoop bang. It's just something simple. I didn't go like too deep in my part. I left most of this out. I just did like a simple part here because I was gonna like put this up in like a ponytail, but I think I'm gonna save that for another day. And today this is the look. It's a very cute, like, I think this is a cute back to school look. If any of you guys are going back to school, this is like definitely giving me like schoolgirl vibes, the fly schoolgirl vibes. So once again, these are the ends, nice, full, and healthy. I really like this hair. This hair is absolutely gorgeous all the way down to the ends. This is where it's hitting me in the front, which is pretty long, if you guys see. So it's just like mid-butt. Yeah, today's look is very simple, quick, and easy. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I didn't do too much with it because, you know, this kind of hair like speaks for itself. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful Beauty Forever hair is. Honestly, they have some of the best hair in general. I love their straight hair. I really like their curly hair units, so if you're looking for a good curly hair unit, they definitely have a lot of good ones. But this is how bomb their straight hair is, and I absolutely love it, you guys. It is tangle free. It is just beautiful. It has a beautiful luster to it, and it's very flowy. It's not stiff at all, which we love. We don't want stiff hair, okay? So the only con that I had today was the flyaways. There was extreme flyaways in this unit. They were literally everywhere, like all in the top. I definitely had to use a lot of foam and a lot of hairspray to get them to lay down because, girl, there are flyaways like all throughout this hair. Like no matter where you part it, like if you put a part, there's gonna be a bunch of little hairs, like a bunch of little flyaways. Like even here on the side it was. So I would just say because of that, you do have to use a little bit more product on your roots and stuff, which a lot of people don't like to do because when the hair is dirty, it just doesn't move the same. So yeah, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you drop a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on today's look. I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Beauty Forever Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. I know you guys are gonna love it, so make sure you check out that description box for a direct link to this unit along with all of the hair details. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.